Hello everyone, and welcome to Craft-a-palooza's very first online edition. I'm Miss Rachel. Hello there. And I've missed you guys all so terribly. For those of you that frequent the Windmill branch, you're probably familiar with our Craft-a-palooza program, but here's what it is. In a nutshell, it's a time of open crafting for all ages with whatever supplies I dig up and put out for you. So basically it's our supplies and your imagination. So unfortunately, we haven't been able to do Craft-a-palooza in quite some time, so I thought I'd take this opportunity to do a take and make version. So let me show you what that looks like. Okay, so let's do that and let's see what's in here. And don't forget, you have a paper bag, okay? So I'm gonna put this over here. Now, what have we got? We have colored paper, a glue stick, and a piece of cardstock that you can do whatever you like with. Okay, so now it comes down to your imagination and anything you find at home that you also want to glue onto this piece of paper. Also, remember, again, you have a paper bag. So, what are some things you can do with this? Let me show you. Here are some things that I've done. Well, the bag I opened the first time had an awful lot of these little peachy squares, so I made this very happy little fellow that's running through the field. And he's kind of blocky, but hey, I like my picture. I hope you do too. But guess what? You don't have to only do this. You can also use your paper bag. So I made this little snake monster. He's got some funny little teeth. And again, just glued the pieces of paper on, folded some in quarters and halves and put them on here. And now I've got a bag puppet, if you like. But the creativity is endless with these supplies. You can do whatever you want to. And if you find a button at home or a piece of foil at home or a Q-tip or a piece of string, feel free to incorporate that as well. And what I'd love, love, love for you to do then is take some pictures for me. You can post them on social media and tag the Windmill Library, or when you get a chance and you come by the branch, I would love to see them, because this is the time in the program where I usually walk around and ooh and ah about how amazing and talented you guys are. And I miss doing that so terribly. So please, please enjoy yourself making our very first Craft-a-palooza collage piece of art. And then I hope to see you and those art pieces in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.